Hey YouTube fam, it's your girl Leah, back again with another video. In today's video, as you can see from the title, it's just a video about my favorite crochet hair based solely on looks. Now, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, then you don't know. A few weeks ago, I did the show me a picture of thing that was going around in everybody's stories. It was like, show me a picture of you as a child. Show me a picture of you as this. And you were supposed to post a picture of that in your stories. Now, somebody gave me a question, show me a picture of your favorite crochet hair based solely on looks. And I was like, that's a good question, because a lot of my crochet hair, the way I rank it is I base it solely on activewear, I base it on swim friendly, or I base it on longevity, or I base it on low maintenance to no maintenance. I base it on all these things. I never base it solely on looks. So that's what today's video is going to be. It's going to be my favorite crochet hair, taking everything out of the equation. I'm taking out whether it's low maintenance. I'm taking out of the equation whether it's water friendly. I'm taking out of the equation whether it's activewear friendly. How does that hair look? And I'll say within a week, because some of these hair on this list are not low maintenance. Some of these hair on this list look crazy after several weeks, but I'm going to say the best hair, my favorite hair based solely on looks that I think you should be able to get a week of wear out of. Because sometimes people don't care about the maintenance. They don't care about whether it's water friendly. They really are about like, I need something for my birthday. I might take it out right after my birthday, but I need something cute, something sexy, something stylish, and I'm looking solely at the looks. That's what today's video is going to be. And again, I'm not going to go fully in depth because I have videos on every single one of these hair, but I'm going to just kind of give you the high level of my favorite looking hair. And I have to start it with, I looked at my list of hair as I was wearing them, and I have to start with my favorite hair based solely on looks. The first time I tried that Harlem 125 Kima Ripple Deep hair. Now, the first time I tried it, you guys know if you watch my videos on that, I did not like that hair the first time I tried it, but it looked sexy. That hair looked good. That hair looked voluminous. Now, the maintenance, the upkeep, everything that went along with it didn't look good, didn't look sexy, wasn't appealing to me, but overall, the first time I tried it, and again, I was very new into the crochet hair game the first time I tried it. I hadn't tried as many hair as I have tried to this date. So I was trying to work around and figure out what products to use, what tools to use. Do I use water? Do I use mousse? Do I use Hawaiian Silky? What do I use at that time? So at the end of the day, if you watch that video all the way through, I was like, I hate to say it, I want to be this person. I do not like Ripple Deep. Everybody in the streets go hard for the ocean waves and they Ripple Deep, and I hate to be the person who's not going hard for it, but I had to be that person. Now again, I've tried that hair a second time on this channel. It's the only hair that I've tried outside of Freetress Deep Twist twice on this channel. Second time, learning from my first mistakes, I was able to wear it for a little bit longer, but that first time I tried it, that blackness, everything about it was giving me life. If I was somebody who needed something cute, going out for a night, birthday party, celebration, all that, I think that Harlem 125 Kima Ripple Deep hair was on point. Now the number 2 hair based solely on looks, because again, this is another hair that to me wasn't low maintenance, and you guys know I love low maintenance hair. So when a hair starts being all this maintenance and stuff, I'm not with it. But that Freetress Cozy Deep hair, now I tried that hair solely because my favorite Taste Pink had a video on it, and she slayed it. She slayed it. If you guys don't follow her, why do you follow me and not follow her if you're interested in crochet hair? It doesn't make sense to me. She slays crochet looks, and she slayed it so much so that I went out and I was influenced by her to try that hair. Now, looks wise, amazing hair. Maintenance wise, it wasn't so amazing to me. And again, everything I'm saying in this video is my opinion. So all the thoughts, again, I have to preface this. I should have probably said this at the top of the video, but everything, again, if you watch my channel, is my opinion. I know so many other people have so many different other opinions. People hate hairs that I love. People love hairs that I hate. And that's all well and dandy. But again, everything I say is my opinion. That Cozy Deep, in my opinion, was a very high to medium maintenance hair, and I was not feeling it. But what I was feeling is how, again, sexy that hair was. That hair was fire in the looks category. And again, a lot of people see me because YouTube is a two-dimensional thing. It's not 3D. You're not really up on me. So 2D, y'all see pictures of me in these hairs, and sometimes you see videos and you're like, I love it. I love it. It looks so good. You're seeing 2D. You're not in the weeds with me daily with these hairs. again, high maintenance to medium maintenance, but lovely hair. Favorite if we're just talking about photography and we're talking about videos. Now this next hair though, this next hair wins on all fronts for me. It is not my favorite just based off of looks. It's also a favorite when it comes to the maintenance as well. And that model fresh wand curl. Whoo child. That hair was so cute to me. And again, you guys, if you follow me, tend to know I don't love a wand curl by day. I'm not the biggest fan of the Freetress ringlet wand curl because it's short. I'm not a big fan of the Sensational Jamaican Bounce because it's short. I want a wand curl that is longer, and the Waddle Fresh wand curl got it because it was 14 inches long. 14 inches. It was such a beautiful wand curl. If I get a wand curl in the future, I have to have it this length. I can never go back to the land of an 8-inch to 10-inch like those ringlet wands and like those Jamaican bounces. To me, again, I look like Orphan Annie. I look like it's a hard knot life for us. I look crazy. I look crazy. But that wand curl was a length that was cute to me. I love that hair. Now, I get so many comments on those videos because my videos are considered evergreen, meaning you don't have to watch them in real time. I filmed that video, 2.5 years ago. To this day in 2021, I still get comments on that video, and I still get comments from people saying they might have discontinued it. And I'm like, oh my God, no, because I think that was a very beautiful hair. But if they have, I will promise you guys, I will try to find a dupe. I get so many questions. I can't find it. Is there a dupe? Not that I've tried, but I will. You know, your girl will bring you a dupe, and it will be as phenomenal as that model fresh wand curl. Now, this next hair was a pain to install, but gorgeous once it was in, and it was that Trendy Tresses Goddess curl hair. Now, I have an install on that hair. Hated the install. Worst install, I'm trying to think, to date. It might tie with that install of that Freetress Hipster Lock with the pull through. That was a terrible install in terms of timing. But that Trendy Tress Goddess curl might be a strong runner up because I lost so much hair in the process. The hair was super soft when pulling it apart. But I definitely say that hair, once it was in my head, gorgeous. I love the color of it. I think I had it in a 1B33. Beautiful color of it. Again, though, it's not a hair that I could have worn for a while. I give that hair a good 2 weeks maybe. I don't know how long I wore it in that video, but I can assure you it's probably not a hair that I would wear forever and look gorgeous. But if you want a cute week of wear, a favorite based on look. Again, when I picked all these hairs, I was looking at stills of me. So I just looked at photos of me and I was like, that hair is beautiful. What is that? Oh, Trendy Tress Goddess curl. Oh, that hair was a pain to install, but it doesn't take from the fact that this is a gorgeous, gorgeous hair. And it's one of my favorites based solely on looks. And the last hair on this list, it has to be that Rasta-free Jamaican curl hair. And it has to make this list solely because the color of that hair was phenomenal match to my hair at that time. So I had just got my hair dyed for the first time right before I installed that hair. So right before I installed it, I had got my hair colored to that 30 color. It was a brighter color. Right now my hair is like closer to a 33 than it is a pure 30. But at that time I was a pure 30, and I was like, there's not gonna be a hair that really matches like this, so I'm gonna have to get to close enough. That hair matched my hair perfectly based on looks, and being up on me was a phenomenal blend between my hair and the actual hair. When I install hair, you guys always have an element of being able to see my real hair, because again, I don't grip the hardest. I'm not the best gripper in the game, and I'm proud of it because it's what saves my edges. But with that comes the element of sometimes my hair peeks through, and it's all well and dandy if my hair is a solid black and the hair I'm trying is solid black. But when I dyed my hair 30, I was like, uh-oh, I gotta find a hair that's gonna match. And that hair matched phenomenally. Again, wasn't my favorite hair based on everything else that comes with it, so the maintenance and everything else, but was my favorite based on looks. I look at photos of me in that hair and I'm like, the blend. Like in real life, I was just like, in awe about how much it matched. So I hope you found this video helpful. Now, again, this is only on looks, nothing about maintenance. These hairs run the gamut between being, a low maintenance to a high maintenance situation. But there are people out there who don't really care about the maintenance. They care about the looks. And so this video is for you. If you have any further questions about any of these hairs, how long I was able to wear them and all that, check out the individual review for this video. But if you liked this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Even if you didn't, still give it a big thumbs up. How did you make it all the way to the end without giving it a big thumbs up? You have to at this point, really. Make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel. I produce content like this for you every week or so. So why would you want to miss any of this good content? Make sure you have that notification bell on as well, because YouTube plays my face on a constant. And sometimes y'all don't know when I upload videos. And y'all be like, how did I miss this? You won't, or you shouldn't, if you have that notification bell on. And make sure that you follow me on Instagram at LeaLevon89 so you can keep up with my shenanigans in real time. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. This will not be private show.